Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a BMW 5 Series. First, find a safe, expansive area, free from any obstacles or traffic. It is crucial that your BMW 5 Series is in excellent mechanical condition, with all fluids topped up and brakes functioning perfectly. Before you begin, disable both traction control and dynamic stability control systems. Some drivers also find it helpful to use tires with slightly less grip on the rear for easier initiation of the slide. To initiate the slide, approach your chosen corner at a moderate speed, typically around 30 miles per hour. As you enter the turn the steering wheel sharply into the corner. Then, you can either briefly apply the handbrake or perform a quick clutch kick to momentarily break the rear wheel's traction. Immediately after, apply a significant amount of throttle to keep the rear wheels spinning and the slide going. Once the car begins to slide, you must quickly counter-steer in the direction of the slide to prevent spinning out. This means turning the steering wheel opposite to the direction of the turn. Use the throttle to control the angle and speed of the drift. More throttle increases the angle, less reduces it. Always look through the turn, focusing on where you want the car to go, not just directly in front. To exit the drift, gradually reduce your throttle input as you approach the corner's exit point. Simultaneously, slowly unwind the countersteer, allowing the front wheels to straighten. This will enable the rear wheels to regain traction smoothly and bring the car back into a straight line. Once the car is stable and pointing in the desired direction, you can then accelerate out of the corner confidently and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.